Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. Okay, this how to make video. First of all, let me start off by saying my name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with a how to make video. Now, what I want to say is this is an overdue video. This was one of the videos, one of the DIYs that I told y'all I'm backlogged with a lot of things. This video, or actually this how to make DIY, was one of the ones that I should have done in 2019, but I'm getting it done now. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. This is going to be done using our handy dandy scrap pack, okay? So these are the items that you will need in order to do this here how to make video. You're going to need some Mod Podge. You're going to need a piece of scrap pack. Now this feels more like not cardstock, but like a soft paper, like just really soft paper, okay? You're going to need some buttons. Now, Walmart a long time ago used to sell these in a kit. And in the kit, you get 2 button makers. You get this piece here, and you get this piece. All 3 pieces go together, okay? You're also going to need some felt, all right? You're going to need a paintbrush. You're going to need your scissors, and you're going to need your choice of backing, okay? So this is for people who ears aren't pierced, okay? I did a video not too long ago showing you all a how to make, I think it was like some type of sticky gem that I use, or you can just do a post earring, and I think I'm going to go with the post earring, okay? But there are many different ways that you can make and create these earrings, all right? So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'm sorry, y'all. You will need your handy dandy glue gun. Now, what I'm going to say to you is if you make these to sell, because you can take this design and make and create and use it and sell it the way however you want to, okay? But if you do choose to do that, okay, if you do choose to sell these, make sure that you use some type of adhesive so that when you put this piece on, it will not come off, okay? That's what's important. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and cut out my piece, and I'm going to cut it in a round motion. I'm going to cut it actually in a circle. Okay, I'm going to cut it in a circle, just like this. All right, I'm going to cut it just like this. All right, so here we have that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my piece. I'm going to place this down inside of here, okay? I'm going to take this and place it, just push it down in just like that. Now make sure that whatever piece, whatever you're going to be using, that part is going to be face down. That's something new. I've never seen that before. That part is going to be face down in your piece. Okay, and you can order these from Amazon if you're interested. So you want to take that piece, place it like that, push this piece down inside, just like that. Okay, and then this piece, the rest of this is going to be pushed down in just like that. So you want to make sure that that's down in there and secured. All right. All right, so that's what you're going to have. Now, this piece here, when you get this piece, it's going to have something on the back of it. And all you do is you peel that piece off. And then you're going to take that piece and you're going to push this down in here. So I'm going to take this blue piece, place it over top, and press this down like that. And I don't know if you all heard that pop. Once you hear that pop, you know that it's secure. So all you do is you take this out. Okay, it's in there. And then you just pop this piece out just like that. And this is what you have. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your felt, which is this. You're going to turn this over and you're going to glue your felt down inside. Now, some people don't do that, but for some, that's just my preference. You don't have to, but I don't like this to be shown. So I want to cover that up. So I just take my glue gun and I put a generous amount of of glue in here. And my piece, woo, this is coming out. This is really hot, y'all. I've had this on for a while, waiting to get this video done. That's why it's coming out like it is. Okay. And then I'm going to take my piece and place it over top and just squeeze that down in there. Just like that. Okay. So that's not going anywhere. It's going to be permanently sealed and it's not going to come out at all. All right. So here you have your button earring. Now what I'm going to do next is I am going to do a coat of Mod Podge. Now I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm going to do one little coat of Mod Podge and put this aside to dry. So we're going to paint this. Just like this. Just like this is what we are going to do. Whoops, just make sure that we get, you know, you want to paint the whole thing, your corners and all that good stuff. And the thing about the Mod Podge is once it dries, it will dry clear. It'll give your item a nice coat, a nice shine. All right, so basically what I'm going to do with this is I am going to set this aside and let it dry, and then I'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I previously have done a piece, and what I mean by that is I already did a prototype of what I wanted to show you all. This is the finished look, okay? This is what your piece is going to look like once you put the Mod Podge on. It has a little shine, okay, a little shine. And the very last thing that we're going to do is we're going to put on our backing. So I'm going to take and put on my closure for it. Put that on just like this. Okay, my hands got glue and everything on it, y'all. And then I'm just going to flip this over, come to the back. Now, like I said, if you are going to sell these, make sure that you use an adhesive that's going to keep it on permanently. But the felt, if you put this on the felt and glue this on the felt, it's going to stay. It's not going to go anywhere. Come up to the top, put that on right there. And then you'll have yourself a really cute pair of earrings. Okay, so once that dry, because you're gluing it on the felt, it's not going to come off. All right, so here you have yourself a nice cute little pair of post earrings. And like I said, you can use any type of backing that you want to use in order to make these earrings. You don't necessarily have to use this type of post. If you have earring, if your ears are not pierced, then you can use this backing, okay, to put on the back. You just glue it up at the top of your earring, okay, so that you can wear these. All right. So with that being said, I want to thank you all for taking the time out to view and listen to this video. I appreciate it so very much. And if this is your very first time here on this channel, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button up on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, stay safe, peace, and blessings. See ya.